Coach, side glutes naman. First of all, bakit ako magbibigay ng workout para ma-work yung gluteus medius o yung side glutes nyo ng libre? Come on! Tapos bibigyan ko kayo ng the best unilateral movement to work on side glutes. You gotta be kidding me. O, isa na lang ha. Isa pa. Isa na lang. Last, up. Okay, good. Okay na. Rest 2 minutes. Isa pa. Dalawa pa. Last 2. Push. Last 2. Up. Isa na lang. Up. Okay, good. Wala na. Then, baba. Up. Up. 3. Up. 2, ma'am. Last 2. Breathe. Up. Okay, good. O, sige. Breathe muna. Breathe. Dito kapit. Breathe in. Then, papunta dun si glutes. Palayo sa'yo. Breathe. Balik. Para may angat. Okay, good. Palayo dito. Papunta dito. Okay, good. Pababa. Pagka-crunch mo na, ulo mo. Balik. Resist ng core. Yan, good. Last one. Isa na lang, ma'am. Push. Last one. Okay, resist. Okay, good. Last set tayo. Isa na lang.